Hi, and welcome back to my page. Again, my name is Ebony Bowler, ebonybowler.com. And as you heard in the background, yes, we're going to talk about money. In my earlier video, I just kind of introduced myself to you and who I am, a little bit of my qualifications. Now we're going to go and talk a little bit more about life insurance. By the time you finish these videos, you'll understand what life insurance is, why you should have life insurance, and how to properly protect you and your family at no matter what age you are. But if you want to know my specialty, it is with seniors. I deal with the senior market just because they have been there. They are the ones who are just trying to get everything together towards the final stages of planning financially so that they know that their legacy is well taken care of. So let's go through this really quickly here. I'm going to give you two basic terms you've probably heard but didn't understand. So first of all, what is life insurance? Life insurance is not for you as the individual. It's for the people who are going to be there after you're gone. It's going to be for your children, your grandchildren, your spouse. Maybe it's your pets that you love and you want to make sure they're cared for. Or maybe you want to leave a legacy to your church or somewhere else. But it's going to be after you've said goodbye. But remember, a name is something that is more prized, your reputation, than anything else. And so you don't want to leave people in debt, family or friends, or someone uncared for that you love. So that's the reason you have life insurance, okay? So we've cleared that up. So there's two different types of life insurance. You've got whole life insurance and you've got term life insurance. So let me tell you this real quick basics. There's a ton of videos out there about what they are, but I'm just going to give them to you real fast and make it real simple. Whole life insurance is with your whole life, just like it says. You pay on it every single month for the rest of your life until the day that you pass away. And then whatever policy you purchase, whether it was for $50,000 or $100,000, that's what your beneficiaries get when you pass away. It does build some cash value, which is a small little savings that's attached to the policy that the insurance company pays you interest on that money that sits in a savings account. And that money can be used while you're still living. And I will talk about later what happens to that money when you die. The second thing is term insurance. Term insurance is just like it says. It's just for a term. 10-year, 5-year, 20-year, 30-year. There are different terms. And that's with you to purchase life insurance, say for a specific set of time. If you have a mortgage and your mortgage is for 30 years, then you might have a policy that's just good for 30 years. So if something happens to you within that 30 years, you know that your spouse or your children or whomever are able to stay in that house and that mortgage will be paid. Okay, so those are the basics of whole life and term. Come to my next video and we'll talk more about how much you should have and things like that, and then we'll get into strategies. Bye.